So we are going to have a look at the branding phase of a product with AI and also in a traditional format, how a creative strategist are going to do. So now this is going to be an important topic. So I'll try to explain you guys as many tools as possible within this less now 10 or 15 minutes we got. There will be a deep dive lessons in the future to join our course, but now let's have a look at what creative strategists do. I'm just going to give you an understanding. I'm just going to give you an idea of how a creative strategist work will look like. So yeah, so without wasting time, let's have a look at that. What are the things we are going to do? I mean, a creative strategist will do in a brand. Okay, um, let's start with the logo design. So mostly a creative person, a creative strategist, if you're starting a brand, it will always start with the logo. So I'm starting that with chat GPT. So I've given few inspirations. So a few inspiration which I liked, which are the style I think work for this brand. I've given a few inspiration and asked to make a logo. It came out like this, but I didn't like the color. So I asked to change the color. Still, I'm not happy with the color. So I myself gave the color codes to create a logo. So now I got this version. So this is the version I'm going to finalize, but this is not, not something I'm just going to copy paste and use it as it is. So I'm just taking this as a 90% done logo and I'm taking this to Photoshop. So this is the logo we got from ChatGPT, just added the background. And then what I did is I just made a few changes, like removed this line and modified a color a little bit, and I've created this. So this is what we got from ChatGPT, made a few final changes, and I created this one. This is going to be the final logo for this brand. So now we can see this logo, it's pixelating. For logos, it should not pixelate because it should, we might use it in a big banners or, somewhere, a lot of people might see. So the quality of the logo needs to be better. For that, we are taking this same logo unit into Illustrator, where you can see the same logo is there. And I'm going to image trace this, and I'm going to create a version where it's going to be, vectorized. So I can use this for everything. If I'm using this in a package design, it will not come out great. So that's the reason why we are using illustration. We are using this Adobe software to get the job done properly. So now I'm just have created this vector image, and you can see I'm zooming too big and you cannot see any pixelation. So that's the difference, using AI will bring it. So this is the logo now we have created, and yeah. So this is the final logo here, and you can see we have created this logo within maybe 15 minutes. So you might have wondered, so is that the only way to create a logo? No, that's not the only way. You will be learning it in a traditional method as well. So we will be teaching you not just, go to ChatGPT, go write a prompt and create a logo. That's no, you don't need to join a course to learn that. You can just watch a real video and you can create it. So we will teach you the psychology and the history and the proper learning format behind it. So in that way, you will be learning everything about a logo. So you can do it on both sides. So this is the deck we use to teach you visual identity, where you can learn everything about a logo design and you can create a completely amazing logo by learning all these fundamentals and the concepts behind it. And that's what we will teach you, and we will use AI tools to make your work efficiently. So now I'll show you an example of our students' work. So this is one of our students' work, and they have not created it using just write prompt. I just go to ChatGPT, write a prompt, creating a logo. That is not how it's done. It's done through proper traditional method where they got the logo inspiration, the font style, the type of illustration they are going to use. With that, they have created this logo. You can see a multiple variations has been created in this logo. And if you zoom out and if you watch this logo properly, you can see a lot of depth layers in this. This entire logo look like a cat, and you can see the C, inside C there is a cat's face. All this detailing, it will come only through humans touch. So you'll be learning both of it, and how you are going to use it, it is according to the client you'll be using. So this logo right here, we created using ChatGPT. It will take only you 15 minutes, and you can charge just even 1,000 rupees for it. So how many of you will take 1,000 rupees for 15 minutes? The 15 minutes of work is paying you 1,000 rupees. That's a great deal. But if some clients they want really amazing thing, you can charge 10K for a logo, and this will take you guys at least 1 week to build it. So that's the difference between using only AI, using AI plus human, and only human kind of design. To become a pro creative strategist, only learning AI tools will not help you. Have to learn the psychology, the science, the creativity behind it, and then you have to use the AI tools. So that's something, a mix of everything is how we create things. So I hope you guys followed me till now. So that's about logo design. Now let's move on creating the visual guidelines for the brand. So I've given a visual, a reference for this brand and asked to create an outline. So you can see the brand as, the ChatGPT have created some text and asked to create an image, and it has created like this. Again, this will not help. So, ChatGPT can or AI can help you up to some level, but to become a pro, to become an designer who can crack things and make amazing designs, you have to learn how to do it yourself as well. So this is how we did it on Illustrator, where we created logo variations, multiple colors, the brand colors, and typography, a mascot, everything used for this brand. So this is like a brand guidelines that we use it for creating, stuffs in real life. If you want to create a social media post, this brand guideline is enough, because you have to use only these fonts, you have to use these colors, you can use this object right here, you can use this elements, you can use this logo. So everything is properly you know mm, put it on the right side, put it properly. Meanwhile, if you see this, this is not right, this is, what is this, and the colors are not good, the social media posts are not proper, even the font is not exact. So if you rely on ChatGPT or AI for everything, that's not going to help. But if you skip ChatGPT, that is also not going to help. You have to learn, something in between that matches both. So yeah, so we have created a logo, we have created a brand guidelines. Now let's go on to the package design. So this is kind of boring design, I know, but I've created this within, very less time. I spent this around 30-40 minutes. So the output, if you spend 2 weeks in a design versus 2 hours in a design, that, so this is a package design for the brand, and you can do this in Illustrator. We will teach you how to do this on Illustrator, and then once you're done this, we will take this to an AI tool called Backdora. So you can create multiple amazing things in AI post this. So now you might have you are seeing things like so students, I'm turning off the chat for some times so you guys can focus on the work. Okay, all right. So we have created this package design in Illustrator. We took that into Backdora. I just uploaded the same image. You cannot create this package design with the help of AI. It will, messed up. It will not come out properly. I'll show you one example on how bad package design will come like. So this is how it will come out if you completely rely on AI to create package design. So you should learn how to create a package design by yourself. And then using these amazing tools, you can make, I'll show you a few things you can do it with this. You can create videos. So once your package is ready, you can create videos, you know, stylish, amazing videos you can create. And most important thing is you can create the 3D model of it. So you can see this, you can place this product anywhere, any style, and you can create multiple designs, product photography from this tool. So this is how AI is going to help. You no need a product photographer to do all these things. You can do it yourself. So by just a few clicks, you can create the scenario. So here, what an amazing thing is, it is not just a static image. You can just move it around. You can just uh, take any angle, any tool out of it, any dimensions. I mean, sorry, any angle, any uh, amazing stuff you can do it with this. You can also change the background color. You can even adjust the lighting of it. So this is how AI is going to help you once you're done with this. Not just this. So this is will be helpful for you to create amazing package photographies, package designs using just a laptop, not a studio and with camera. So here is another tool, where we can create a brand identity of it. So we have the logo right here, and with logo we have created some, some other images. If you put inspiration, and you can make a lot of things. I'll just showcase you one example. So I'm going to create an image with this logo. I'm just creating an image and keeping this as an inspiration. So I'm writing a prompt. I want to put my logo in this package. And this will generate image from these pictures. I can see a lot of things are here. So this is in the starting stage. So many of things we cannot use it in the real life, but these guys are updating. The model is now ChatGPT image. If they signed a contract with AI, OpenAI, ChatGPT for 4.0 image, then all these things would come super amazing. And I think this will happen soon. This is one of the tool where many designers are saying that this is going to replace Photoshop. So one of a powerful tool, not powerful yet, but within maybe you guys complete this course, it will become a too powerful tool to create brand identity. So as you can see with this, we have tagged this logo, we have tagged this design, and AI has created a multiple merge of it. So like you can see, it is connected one to each other. You can see this welcome right here, and this where is this, and connected this logo with it, and you can see this has created a image like this. So these are the future, guys. This is how you are going to work in future. So this is just a branding aspect of design, and in marketing also you will be doing a lot of things. So whatever designs you are seeing here in Pinterest, everything is possible for you to do. And not just videos, you can create images. I mean, sorry, not just images, you can create videos as well. You can create a lot of videos like this, and I'll show you one example. So I added this image right here. So from ChatGPT only, I've created this image. I took one inspiration, we placed our logo, and I've created this image. I now took this image to generative fill, I mean, sorry, video gen app, and I wrote this, taking the cookie out of packages what I want to create, and you can see the video. So you can see the video that it is, it look completely a human kind of video, and these are keep on improving. So this is the right time, this is the perfect time to start coming into this industry, and you can be the best person to create it, to create all amazing things. So I hope you guys now got a clear understanding, clear guidance of what are the things you can do using AI. So this is just a 10 minutes walkthrough of what are the things that you can do. So how many of you found this an exciting thing? Could you please raise your hands if you felt like this is something amazing, this is something that you wanted to learn, that you wanted to do, and yeah, the future is here.